Hello, yeah, hello everyone. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today, and I am blessed. And this is Miss Lena again, and I am coming to you right now. I'm making just a little strawberry cobbler, and I didn't have everything that I wanted to have, so I'm doing it with a can of pie filling strawberries plus some real strawberries. So here's what it looks like: the can of strawberries. Okay. And then I have my real strawberries, which I've already washed them. I just haven't cut them up. So I'll be kind of cutting them up to fill it in. I didn't have two cans. I'm trying to make a strawberry cobbler. So I didn't have two cans of the strawberries. So I'm having to use God is our refuge and our strength, a very present help in trouble. Psalms 46 and 1. Let us not be weary in well doing, for due season we will reap if we will not faint not. Galatians 6 and 9. Let us not be weary in well doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not. Galatians 6 and 9. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to be slicing up a few more strawberries to fill it out, please. I think I do just maybe one or two more. I think that'll be enough. I like to fill it out. If not, I'll do another one. Now these are fresh strawberries going in with the canned strawberries. Edges filled in here. I hope we can another one. Okay, this is my cup of sugar. I don't think I might have all of it. Let's see. Let me get my butter over here. the strawberries are supposed to be uh, a little bit sweet, but they're not heavily sweetened. That's why I'm putting the sugar in. But so far, I've only put a half a cup of sugar in. So I'm trying to spread the butter around a little bit. I've had it for room temperature for about an hour, so it's pretty soft. Of course, it would be on a day like today, so. Putting a little bit of nutmeg, not very much. You see it? Okay. So now, spread the butter. Start putting the pieces across just a little bit. The dough is up pretty high, so I should have just put the whole top on it. I didn't use a real pie pan, which I do have one that would have been smaller, but I was thinking I was going to just put a solid top on it. That's why I bought the sides up so high. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm done. I think I've got it just about even off now. Okay. And I can get it all around there, so.
Okay, y'all. She's almost done, and she's gonna put a little, spread a little butter on top, and then she's gonna put it in the oven for how long?
It shouldn't take longer than about 25 minutes.
Okay, y'all. We'll be back once it's done. This is how it's looking. All right. Thank you.
All right. And I'm putting butter spray on top. I think that's enough right now.
All right, y'all. We'll be back. She's putting it in the oven on 350 for how long?
For about 25 minutes.
25 minutes. All right. We'll be back.
Okay. This is my final presentation of my strawberry pie cobbler. My strawberry cobbler. I didn't have enough strawberries, so I used canned strawberries and fresh strawberries, combined them together. And I know it just smells so good, and I know it tastes really good. So I'm just kind of putting together what I have. And I'm going to put just a little bit of cream on it. A little bit of cool. Give me a spoon. Okay. Now you all know this looks tasty. Now look at that, won't you? Very tasty looking. So I will get just a little taste to let you see me. And it's very hot. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. So good. It is so good.
Yeah, that's good.
It's really a little different than strawberry cobbler, but it's very good.
That'll be good with some puff pastry too. That is so good. All right, y'all. We're finna get ready to end the video. That's delicious. Y'all definitely try this.
It is very, very good. So it's off the chain. Another off the chain day. Strawberry cobbler. Thank you so much. And I hope you will try it. You will enjoy it. From Miss Lena's Kitchen. All my love. Bye. Thank you for all of my subscribers, for my supporters, for my members, and for the people that just come in and look on. I appreciate you all so much. May God bless you. Have a blessed day and a blessed week ahead. From Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye and good luck and God bless. Bye-bye.